What if I gave you 100 AI prompts that could literally run huge portions of your wholesale business? I'm talking about generating motivated seller leads, writing marketing campaigns, handling seller objections, analyzing deals, building your team, and even creating a growth plan for your business. The truth is, AI is changing real estate investing faster than anything I've seen in the last 20 years. And here's my prediction. The wholesalers who learn how to leverage AI are going to dominate this industry, and the wholesalers who ignore AI are going to struggle. On today's video, I'm going to show you some of the exact prompts from my new free guide called the Top 100 AI Prompts for Real Estate Investors. But instead of simply showing you the prompts, I'm actually going to demonstrate them live so you can see just how powerful this really is. And if you want all 100 prompts, I'll show you at the end how to download them absolutely for free. Coming up.
Want AI agents to get appointments with sellers for you? Check out myaiflipper.com to learn how to get AI agents to cold call for you 24/7. Hurry, spots are limited.
If you're new here, my name is Jerry Norton. I make millions of dollars a year wholesaling and flipping houses, and on this channel, I show you exactly how to do the same. So if you want to be a flipping genius like me, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Now, before we jump in, understand this. AI is only as powerful as the instructions you give it. Most people ask terrible questions and then wonder why they get terrible answers. The secret is prompt engineering, and that's exactly what my free guide teaches. Prompt engineering is simply learning how to ask better questions so you get better answers. Now, whenever I talk about AI, people always ask, Jerry, is AI going to replace wholesalers? My answer is no. AI isn't going to replace wholesalers, but wholesalers who use AI are absolutely going to replace wholesalers who don't use AI. Because at the end of the day, this business is about solving problems, and AI allows you to solve problems faster, better, and at scale. But before I show you specific prompts, you need to understand one very important principle. Most people suck at using AI. Not because they're bad with technology, but because they ask terrible questions. Here's an example. Most people will ask AI, write me a seller text. That's a horrible prompt. A much better prompt would be, act as a world-class acquisition manager specializing in off-market real estate, write a text message to an absentee owner who has owned the property for 15 years. The owner may be tired of being a landlord. The goal is to start a conversation and schedule a phone call. Use a friendly, non-salesy tone. You see the difference? The more context, the better the output. In fact, I like to include 5 things in every prompt. Number 1, who AI should act as. Number 2, the specific task. Number 3, relevant context. Number 4, the desired outcome. And number 5, the tone or format. Now, if you do that, your results will improve dramatically. So here's the prompt formula to follow. Act as a, 1, the role, world-class acquisition manager, direct response copywriter, real estate operations consultant, creative finance expert, dispositions manager. Your task is to write a Facebook ad, create a phone script, analyze a deal, build a KPI dashboard, generate follow-up messages. Here is the relevant context. Provide details about your market, seller, the property, the business model, or any other goals. Example might be, my target market is Phoenix, Arizona. The seller owns an inherited property. The property value is $250,000. My business model is wholesaling. My team size is 3 people. Then the desired outcome is, then tell AI what success looks like. For example, generate motivated seller leads, book an appointment, increase conversion rates, maximize profit, build rapport, and then deliver the response in a tone or format. Specify how you want the answer delivered. For example, conversational, professional, bullet points, step-by-step checklist, or script format. Okay, so let's look at some of these prompts. In my guide, the first section is lead generation because without leads, you don't have a business. And I have 10 prompts. Here's the first prompt. Write a Facebook ad that generates motivated seller leads. Well, let's rewrite that using my 5-prompt rule formula. Act as a world-class direct response copywriter. Write a Facebook ad targeting absentee owners in Memphis, Tennessee who own distressed properties. The goal is to generate motivated seller leads for a cash buyer. Use a conversational tone and include a strong call to action. Now watch this. Let's actually put that in ChatGPT and see what the output is. Okay, so let's check out the response here. Own a property in Memphis you no longer want? If you own a house in Memphis that needs repairs, has problem tenants, is sitting vacant, or has simply become a burden, I may be able to help. I buy houses in any condition throughout the Memphis area and can make you a fair cash offer with no commissions, no repairs, and no hassle. Whether you're dealing with costly repairs, bad tenants, code violations, inherited property, vacant houses, tired of being a landlord, you don't have to fix it, clean it, or even empty it out. Just tell me about the property and I'll make you a no obligation cash offer. Send me a private message or comment "sell" below to see what your property could be worth. No pressure, no obligation, just a simple conversation. So look at that, within seconds we have a complete ad. Now obviously I may want to tweak it a little bit to personalize it, but this just saved me 30 minutes. So here's another prompt from the guide. Give me 10 SMS templates for cold texting off-market sellers. And check it out, there are 10 prompts right there that I can just copy and paste and use. I mean, how many of you struggle with what to say? Imagine instantly generating 10 text messages. And here's one I love for beginners. What are the top 5 ways to generate seller leads without spending money? Now, when I first got started, I had no money. If I was starting out today, I would absolutely use this prompt. Another prompt I like here is create a 5 email drip sequence for follow-ups with warm seller leads. Most wholesalers don't fail because they can't find leads. They fail because they don't follow up. AI can solve that.
Find deals faster with PropWire. Search properties, skip trace owners, and get lead alerts. Download the PropWire app on the App Store or Google Play Store for free.
Okay, now let's move on into the strategy and business growth section. Now this section alone is worth downloading the guide. Watch this. I'm going to put into my prompt, give me a step-by-step growth plan for scaling my real estate investing business. Let's see what AI gives us. Okay, check this out. This is incredible. It gives me all of these phases here of what I would need to do to scale my business. In fact, it gave me 12 phases to do that. Now, I wouldn't blindly follow everything AI says, but imagine having a business consultant available 24 hours a day. Here's another prompt. What are the top 5 high ROI marketing strategies for real estate investors? Or this one, help me identify bottlenecks in my real estate business and how to fix them. Now, I use prompts like this all the time. Sometimes you're too close to your business. AI can help you identify blind spots. Another great prompt is, what are the best ways to automate my real estate investing operations? Think about this. The goal isn't to build yourself a job. The goal is to build a business. Now let's talk about where deals are actually made, seller conversations. One of the biggest reasons new wholesalers fail is because they don't know what to say. Here's a prompt from the guide. Give me a phone script for pre-qualifying motivated sellers. Okay, let's run that. I mean, look at this. Questions about timeline, motivation, condition, decision makers. This is fantastic. Now, here's where this gets really cool. Role play a cold call with a tired landlord who owns multiple properties. Now, this right here is a game changer. Look at this. Investor, hi, is this Mr. Johnson? Seller, yes, who's this? Investor, Mr. Johnson, my name is Mike. I know this call's out of the blue, but I'm a local investor, and I was calling about your property on Elm Street. I was wondering if you might consider selling it. Seller, not really. I wasn't planning on selling. Investor, totally understand. Most people I talk to aren't actively looking to sell. Out of curiosity, if you received a price that made sense, would you at least consider it? Seller, I guess I'd listen. Everything's for sale at the right price. Investor, fair enough. How long have you owned the property? Okay, and it goes through this whole dialogue here. Look at this whole conversation. This right here is a complete game changer. You can practice seller calls every single day. No more excuses. Now, another prompt, what are the best questions to ask sellers to build rapport quickly? You guys hear me talk all the time about tactical empathy. Rapport matters, trust matters. And here's another one. How do I overcome the objection? I need to think about it. Now, most wholesalers never practice objections. Using these AI prompts, you can practice whenever you want. Okay, now let's talk about making money. Now, this section focuses on maximizing profits and structuring deals. Here's a prompt. Analyze this deal and recommend the most profitable exit strategy. Let's say, for example, the purchase price is $150,000, ARV is $250,000, repairs are $20,000, and let's see what AI recommends. So check it out. AI gave me 3 different options and it broke down the numbers and it kind of gave me pros and cons of what each of those might look like. So it can help me really think through what my different options are. Another great prompt is, how can I creatively structure this deal with seller financing, or specifically subject to? Creative finance is one of the most powerful tools in today's market. And here's one I love. Create multiple offer structures for this motivated seller. Imagine walking into a seller appointment with 3 offers instead of 1. That's powerful. Now, obviously, we barely scratched the surface. This guide contains 100 prompts covering lead generation, business growth, seller conversations, marketing and deal analysis, and much more. You can download the entire guide absolutely free using the link in the description below. And remember to avoid the top 3 mistakes people make using AI. Mistake number 1, using vague prompts. Mistake number 2, blindly trusting AI. Always verify. And mistake number 3, not giving enough context. Remember, the better the prompt, the better the output. And if you want to see exactly how I'm using AI to automate and scale my wholesaling business, I want to invite you to watch a training about how I built an entire AI system called AI Flipper. Inside the system, we built AI agents that call sellers, pre-qualify leads, and even make appointments. Not only that, but AI Flipper has the data to pull custom stack lists. It has the seller's phone numbers. It has the analyzers to run all the numbers. It has the exact paperwork needed. It even has the buyers for your deals. It's an A to Z system to run your entire wholesale business without cold calling. So if taking AI to the next level sounds exciting to you, watch this detailed training that breaks down in detail how the AI Flipper system works. You'll learn how to cut your marketing costs, your overhead, and your time spent working leads and making calls by 90%. The investors who embrace AI will dominate tomorrow. So watch that training now, and I'll see you on the training.